They're fucking.
Get on the weed.
Oh my. Yes, they're fucking. Oh my God. Look. Is that his wiener? Are you watching this?
Inserting into her vagina.
Can you see it?
Not, I mean, not really.
Oh, it's blurry.
Yeah. Is he like moving up and down?
No, he's got his wiener going back and forth. Oh, they are going up and down. Oh my God. He's hitting it from the back. And she's bouncing that ass on him.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my God. Now you have, what do you have? Rhino? You have turtles? What? Now flies fucking?
I am in shock. They were fucking on the table when we walked in, and they moved over here to hide from us.
Wow.
OnlyFans.
They're stuck together.
It's OFF. OnlyFans fly. Oh my. Chris!
Baby, something came out of my ass that was not normal.
Babe, don't say that, I'm recording. These two flies are fucking.
What?
She's bouncing on his dick.
Kill him.
No, they're fucking. Don't kill them. Babe, they've been fucking this whole time.
I'm killing him.
Please don't kill him.
Pam, I'm killing him.
Don't kill anything while they're having the best time of their lives.
Well, they're gonna die fucking.
I mean, isn't that the best time to go?
Yep.
I guess you're right.
Boom, they're dead.